Okay, C2 latch valve.
What was that?
C2 latch valve.
There you go.
C2 latch valve. That actually goes in this location here on this block. Okay. We are also looking here. C2 latch valve. None of these springs are color coded, by the way, like they should be. I'm going to bring this down for a slight drag. We're looking at 41.3. 41.3. We are a little bit off on that one. That spring is not quite the height that it should be. It's more about 40 right now. We want 41.3, so that's not good. I'm going to move this down here, and for our weight on that is going to be 16.1. And boy, we are awfully close right there. So that's it.